We are going to discuss chi-square distribution. This is also pronounced as chi-square. Chi-square distribution measures the correspondence between the theoretical frequency and the observed frequencies. If OI, I is from 1 to n, and EI respectively represent the observed and estimated frequencies, then the static chi-square denoted by the notation is here. It is defined as chi-square is equal to summation of I is from 1 to n OI minus EI whole square by EI, where OI is the observed frequency and EI is the expected frequency. We have the degree of freedom as n minus 1. So here we have considered the node. The first note is the theoretical frequency. The theoretical frequency are found by the probability distribution of the binomial and Poisson distribution. Second one, if the calculated value of chi-square, means chi-square calculated, is less than the table value of chi-square at a specific level of significance, then the hypothesis is accepted. Otherwise, the hypothesis is rejected. This is important to verify the answers. So first example we'll consider now how to apply the chi-square for the given example. The example is 5 dice were thrown 96 times and the numbers 1, 2 or 3 appearing on the face of the dice follows a frequency distribution as below. Number of the dice showing as 1, 2, 3 and corresponding frequency is given as in the table, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Corresponding frequency we have 7, 19, 35, 24, 8 and 3. So test the hypothesis that the data follows a binomial distribution. Here chi-square tabular value, that is chi-square of 0.05 is given as 11.07 for 5 degree of freedom. So we have to compare the result with this value. Solution part of this will be, given that the data follows binomial distribution as the number of the dice is 5, n is equal to 5 is given. Next we'll consider the probability. So let P is the probability of success, means getting the numbers 1, 2 or 3. So P is equal to 3 by 6, we'll get P as 1 by 2 for the single dice. Similarly, we have to identify what is the value of Q. So Q is given by probability of the failure. We are getting P as 1, 2, 3. The left out number we are supposed to take as 4, 5 and 6. So again Q is equal to 3 by 6. Q is equal to 1 by 2 for the single dice. Now binomial distribution of X successes out of n trials is given by the equation of the binomial distribution. P of X is equal to NCX P to the power X Q to the power n minus X for a single dice. Since the 5 dice were thrown 96 times, so we have to take the frequency, expected frequency distribution, we have to take it as F of X is equal to 96 times P of X. So F of X is equal to 96. What is we have taken P of X in the binomial? NCX P to the power X Q to the power n minus X. We framed the equation for the expected frequency. Now for the given tabular value of X, we have to identify what are the values of expected frequency. So that is given as, here you can see X takes the value as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have to substitute in the expected frequency formula. Let us say if we will substitute for X is equal to 5, then the equation will be 96 into 5C5 half to the power 5. Again, because we have taken P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to the power of 5, 1 by 2 to the power of, this is 5 minus 5 is 0. So if you substitute X is equal to 5, the expected frequency reduces as 3. Similarly, if you substitute for 4, then the frequency reduced to 15. For 3, it is 30. For 2, we are getting as 30. And for 1, we are getting as 15. And for 0, we are getting as 3. So after getting all the values of the expected frequency, once again we have to substitute in the table. So in the table, they have given only 2 values, that is number of the dice showing 1, 2, 3 and observed frequency. So whatever the value you are getting as expected, that you have to substitute now. So for these values of X, we are getting the expected frequency as 3, 15, 30, 30, 15 and 3. Once you have done this table, now we have to go for formula directly. So chi-square is equal to, formula will be summation of I is from 1 to n OI minus EI whole square by EI. So here chi-square is equal to, if we take one value of that, what is our observed frequency is 7, expected frequency is 3. So 7 minus 3 we have 4, 4 square will be 16 divided by 3. Like that each value we have done for the calculation part. So next, chi-square is equal to 11.7 after simplifying these values. So since you can see the tabular value is given as, in the question, the tabular value is given as 11.07. So therefore, the chi-square calculation we have 11.7. So chi-square calculation is greater than the chi-square tabular value. Therefore, what we have given in the note, from that we can say hypothesis that follows binomial distribution is rejected. If it is less than, could have said that the hypothesis of the binomial distribution is accepted. So this is one example on chi-square. We'll go for the second example. So here again it is a coin tossing only. The 4 coins are tossed 100 times and the following results were obtained. So number of the heads here given as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The corresponding frequency is 5, 29, 36, 25 and 5. Fit a binomial distribution for the data and test the goodness of it. So chi-square of 0.05 for 4 degree of freedom, the value is given as 9.49. So whatever the answers we are getting from this table, we have to compare with 9.49. The solution part of this will be number of the times coin tossed is 4, as they have given n is equal to 4. And what is the P? Probability of success. For single coin, it is P is equal to half and Q is equal to half. So we have to fit a binomial distribution. So binomial distribution expression, what we have? P of x. So P of x is given by NCX, P to the power x, Q to the power n minus x. Since the tossing 4 coins repeatedly for 100 times, therefore we have to take the expected frequency, that is f of x, which is given by 100 into P of x. Substitute the P of x here, the equation 100 into NCX, P to the power x, Q to the power n minus x. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute the values of each values of x in this. So let me substitute x is equal to 0. So 100 into n value is 4, x value is 0. 4 is 0, half to the power 0 and half to the power 4 minus 0 is 4 only. If we simplify this equation, the value is reduced to 6.25. This is for 0. For 1, it is 25. For 2, it is 37.5. For 3, it is 25. And for 4, it is 6.25. Once we got all the values of x corresponding expected frequency, these values we have to substitute in the table. So table reduced to this form. Number of the outcomes what we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Observed frequency is given in the question. Expected just now we have done. We'll substitute those values. Next, directly we can substitute the formula now. Chi-square is equal to summation of OI minus EI whole square by EI. So what is the OI here? You have 5 minus 6.25 whole square divided by 6.25. Second value also same thing. 25 minus 20, 29 minus 25 whole square by 29. Like that we have to do by each values. After simplifying, we are getting the chi-square answer as 1.2. Okay, but tabular value is given as 9.49. So we'll compare the given calculation value with the tabular value. We can say chi-square calculation is less than the chi-square tabular. So therefore, binomial distribution fits the given data. So it is accepted because it is less than. The third example what we have, fit a binomial distribution for the data. Number of the heads are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The corresponding frequency we have here given as 122, 60, 15, 2, 1. And also test the goodness of fit for the given data. So they have given the tabular value as 7.815 for 3 degree of freedom. So here also tossing the coin we have. So number of the coin tossed here is n is equal to 4. The value of P is given as the previous same thing. P is equal to half and Q is equal to half. What is your binomial distribution? P of x is equals to NCX, P to the power x, Q to the power n minus x. So they have given here 4 coins are tossed for 200 times. Therefore, f of x is equal to, we have to take expected frequency as f of x is equal to 200 into P of x. Again, substitute the P of x equation here. So we are getting like this. So here you can observe 200 we have taken by taking the summation of f. That is the frequency. If we add the frequency from the table, we will come to know 200. So we want to multiply 200 with that. So expected frequency, we got it as 200 into NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. So what are the values of x they have given? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Substitute x is equal to 0. We will have 200 into 4 c 0, half to the power 0, half to the power 4 minus 0. So if you simplify this equation, the value is reduced to 12.5. So corresponding 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 50, 75, 50, 12.5. So we'll substitute the values in the table. The equation, the table reduced to this form. Now we'll apply the formula now. Chi-square is equal to summation of OI minus EI whole square by EI. So after simplifying, the value is reduced to 1065.85. If we'll compare with the tabular value, it is more. Therefore, chi-square of calculation is greater than the chi-square of tabular. Therefore, here the test of goodness fails. Therefore, binomial distribution does not fit good for the given data. So these are the examples on binomial distribution. Next example we'll consider on Poisson distribution. So the example is like this. Fit a Poisson distribution to the following data and test the goodness of fit at 5% level of significance, nothing but a 0.05. So X values is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The corresponding frequency what they have given 419, 352, 154, 56 and 19. With the degree of freedom as 4, given the tabular value they have given as chi-square of the tabular is 3.82. We have to compare the calculation value with this. So therefore here you can see, to take the Poisson distribution, we have to find the mean value. So how to find a mean value from the table? So mean is equal to M is equal to summation of F into X divided by summation of F. Therefore, M is given as 0.904, that is 0 into 419, like that each value you have to multiply, divided by, you have to add the summation of F, you will have 1000. So if we simplify this, we'll have mean is equal to 0.904. So what is the Poisson distribution formula we have here? P of X is equals to e to the power of minus M into M to the power X divided by X factorial. So we have got what is the M value. Since the experiment is repeated for 1000 times, because we have just now we have got the summation of F as 1000. Therefore, the theoretical frequency or expected frequency is given by F of X is equals to 1000 into P of X. So what is your P of X? E to the power of minus M into M to the power of X divided by X factorial. So we have got a theoretical frequency. We framed the equation by substituting this mean value. What is the mean? 0.904. Wherever the mean value is there, we substituted. Next, we have to simplify the given values of X. So for X is equal to 0, if we substitute, we have 1000 into e to the power of minus 0.904 into 0.904 whole to the power of 0 by 0 factorial. So 0 factorial is 1 only. After simplifying this equation, the value is reduced to 404.94. For frequency 1, if you substitute, the value reduced to 366.07. If you substitute for X is equal to 2, the corresponding frequency we have 165.46. For X is equal to 3, the frequency is 49.85. For X is equal to 4, it is 11.268. So we have to take once again the table. So what they have given in the question, that is X, observed frequency is given, expected frequency, we have got the values that will substitute here. After framing the table, now we have to go for the chi-square formula. So chi-square is equals to summation of OI minus EI whole square by EI. So simplify the values, OI minus EI by EI for each values of from the table. Okay, so first one, the answer reduced to 0.9877. The second one is 0.5409. Third one is 0.7943. For the fourth value is 0.7561. For the last, we have 5.3050. So if we simplify these values, we'll have chi-square of calculation is 7.8840. So with this value, you have to compare the tabular value. What is the tabular value is given in the question? It is 3.82. So by comparing these two values, we can say chi-square calculation is greater than the chi-square tabular. So therefore, the data does not fit good for the Poisson distribution. So this is about the chi-square test, how to apply by framing the equation, binomial as well as the Poisson distribution. Thank you.